It is about 7:30 a.m. I am doing a early bird muffin breakfast program where I am setting out these lovely muffins in the lounge so my residents can take one and take a word of encouragement for their last week of school.
I don't like having to worry about whether I'm gonna run out.
Yeah, that's honestly the worst.
All right, you can always have a good day, but I always say you can have an even better day when you start off with a clean room. So I always kind of give my room a quick clean, make my bed and stuff before I leave. Then I go into a little bit of studying. Here's my study schedule. I'm such a nerd. I make like a study log. And then I go and grab some coffee, run some errands, and deposit a check and walk to my first class. The lecture is a little empty because I'm super early, but yeah, this is my last official class. It's my organic chemistry lab with one of my favorite professors, Dr. Casey.
Did you know that acetone dry ice slurry is minus 77? Liquid that's cold, that's just water vapor you're seeing. I'm going to put...
Yes, on the last one. Assuming that
Stop. Jeffrey,
vapor.
say hi.
So when it's boiling, this is the temperature that boils at, but this is what's in the vapor.
For a vlog.
If you were to check, even 15% of the higher boiling point and like 85%.
All right, I am walking back to the hill. I'm gonna go to the Res Life office and pick up a check before grabbing some lunch at the Denev Dining Hall. And then I'm going to meet up with my teach group. We head over to our teach site and we volunteer every Thursday. We help the kids with their homework and then present health modules to promote community health.
What are you doing? Aaliyah, don't look at this. I'm like, okay.
Hi, cutie.
Take a picture.
Hi. Yay, all the seniors, this is our last module or site, but we have, Hala, why'd you leave? You guys, come back. You guys will be back, but. This is the cancer fellow that came to visit today. So now we're gonna go to the rail center. Okay, I look like a floating head, babe. You have to, there we go. Okay, that's all right. Well, okay. So close to my face. Grabbed gelato from my favorite place and they didn't have the cookie sensation that I wanted, so now we're just waiting for his. Awesome. We are going to get ready to walk down to campus again because my friend from my RA staff is having an a cappella showcase. Ooh, exciting. The showcase was so good, but I had to leave a little early to make it back in time to check out my duty radio. They're on call until 7 a.m. the next day, but I usually go down to the office and study.
Why are you ready? Why were you like ready? Oh my god. Yes, late night. Damn, I don't even want to record this. These look kind of... Are we at work?
Yeah. My end of the year party is
For once.
tomorrow.
Shut up, Paul. Bro, that's lit though. Hardworking. What is it, like midnight right now?
Is it?
Yeah.
No.
It's like 11:50.
11:49.
Oh shit. Oh, well.
Malia, this girl ain't never ready, but then ready. I have my last 8 a.m. tomorrow for my chem lab, but it is essentially just a cleanup. A final from 12 to 1, and then a review session from 5 to 7, and I am done with undergrad.
In the year session after 3 years of UCLA. But yeah.
Yay!
3 years, man. 3 years. Yeah, I'm old. Did you record that?
I am looking dusty and crusty right now, but I'm on my way to my friend's sorority announcement, so...
And turned her around and said, girl, don't you utter another sound. I'll tell you about the blue. I'll tell you about the gold. Black, beautiful and bold. Sigma, Sigma.
Preach the sword.
Greetings to the women of the gold and blue. Greetings to the sisters, both old and new. There would be no us if there was no you. We are as one.
All right.
All for one, one for all, or none. I see you, Neo. Public university, majoring in ecology, behavior, and evolution with a minor in theater. I am a Sigma woman.
Over anything, so what's going on?
Hey.
Is this a picture or video?
It's a video.
Oh, oh yeah.
I think I'm around.
Oh, it's recording. Fuck.
Okay.
There we go.
Is a little dot on?
Yeah, it's the red dot's on. I'm sure it's recording. This is amazing.
Yeah. Thanks, Dad.
Yeah, Kiara, how many mimosas did you drink?
Wow! Oh, okay. I actually
Is this
had
your
one.
5th one?
I had one. Thank you.
Okay.
Freaking that.
I thought it was an eyelash. I didn't understand it was makeup. It's not like
You're so cute, Dad.
This is ridiculous.
Peer pressure. Wow, Dad.
That's enough. I don't want to do this.
Okay, fine.
What do I have to do today?
Oh my.
I'm not leaving. I'm
Cannot leave it.
No.
Bottomless mimosas. $5, you guys.
For you?
One glass.
For you, madam?
Well, I don't know. I mean, I'm not saying it's like yay or nay.
I saw the videos though.
Natalie, that looks so good.
But,
What'd you get?
Wait, hold on.
Fried chicken.
Oh, nice. That's biscuits.
I have been a resident assistant or RA in residential life for 2 years now, and I am so incredibly grateful for the experience. I am so appreciative of the people I've met. I honestly have never met so many genuine people in my life, and I've grown so much personally and professionally from this job, and these people are all just so amazing, and I'm so grateful.
And she's stuck. Oh, yeah. Okay. Hey, say hi. Okay. All right, so it's one of my programs. It is a pizza and churro program from Costco. Loaded up on some snacks and then got some food for my resis because it is finals and they are hungry and studying. You've been in the dorm? Oh my gosh. Oh, video. Okay, well, we can do video first. Yay, we just finished our last final. And we're done. Guys, say hi. We are on our way to Undie Run. Yeah, we are. Undie Run. And they block off Strathmore for everyone to run. Yeah. It's like a tradition we do after finals. We're at the end of each quarter, so it's gonna be lit.
Stop. Where are you?
We can't walk up to that sports bra. Look at that. Bruh, everybody is out here.
These are my roommates.
I'm on. Hey, you already know what it is. What's the name of the channel? Hey, pre-med, med school, we on our way. You feel me? You already know what it is.
Oh my god, I can't.
When I say we, I mean you.
Brian's so good.
The police.
Please continue to be safe.
I didn't get any sleep. I thought I was gonna pass out after this run.
He said, if found, please return to Temeskin.
You got better safe than sorry.
Oh my God, I can't with you. Be a picture. It'll just be for a video.
Oh, she has a
Mama T!
She literally knows this. Just smile. She literally. But it's over. We grew up together.
Yeah.